In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Microsoft To Do with your Outlook calendar. This integration is a powerful way to streamline your workflow and ensure that all your tasks and appointments are in one convenient location. Not only does this help you manage your time more effectively, but it also lets you visually plan your day in advance, making it easier to stay on top of your schedules and deadlines. To get started, first, open your Outlook application. This process will work best if you're using the desktop version, but similar features can be found in the web app as well. Once Outlook is open, navigate to the calendar view, which you can access from the left-hand menu bar. Here, you'll see all your scheduled events and meetings laid out for the week or day, depending on your selected view. On the right-hand side of the screen, keep an eye out for the To Do pane. Often, this is represented as a tab or even a small calendar icon with a check mark on it. If you don't see it right away, it might be minimized, so clicking on the icon should expand it. This is where your task list will appear. The To Do pane effectively functions as your digital to-do list, compiling tasks that need attention. Now that your To Do pane is open, you're ready to link it with your Outlook calendar by directly integrating tasks into your calendar. Here's where the magic happens. Simply click on a task you wish to schedule from your To Do list. Once you've selected it, drag and drop the task onto your calendar, placing it on the desired date and time. This simple action allows you to allocate a specific time slot for your task, visibly blocking it out in your schedule. It's a fantastic way to reserve time and ensure that the task gets completed. Moreover, this dragging and dropping feature lets you modify the task duration. You can manually adjust the time block size by clicking and dragging the borders of the task event within your calendar view. This flexibility means you can easily tailor the time allocated to match the task's complexity or your availability on any given day. Incorporating tasks directly into your calendar enhances your planning process by visualizing what's on your plate. It helps prevent potential overcommitting since you see exactly how your time is being spent. This combination of Outlook's robust calendar features with Microsoft To Do's task management capabilities creates an efficient and personalized productivity system. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to link Microsoft To Do with Outlook Calendar. Implement these steps and watch how it transforms the way you manage your daily tasks.